Hey guys, if you are looking for best travel camera, you choice right video. Today we're going to review top 5 best travel camera. After spending 2 weeks research, we make this list based on our personal preference and based on features, quality, prices, customers' reviews, and durability. Also, we make this list for every type for customers. So let's get started. Starting at Olympus OM-D EM5 Mark III. As far as interchangeable lens options go, the Olympus OM-D EM5 Mark III is one of the best travel cameras you can get. As part of the Micro Four Thirds M4/3 system, it offers a good combination of portability, flexibility, and quality. Though it isn't as heavy-duty as higher-end models in the Olympus lineup, like the Olympus OM-D EM1 Mark III or the OM System OM1, it has a more portable body that makes it better for travel. Plus, it's packed with many of the same features, including computational photography modes and a wide selection of compact lenses to keep the overall size of your kit down. Aside from its compact size, the camera feels well built, with weather sealing for added peace of mind when you're out and about in adverse weather conditions. It also has an excellent 5-axis in-body image stabilization system, which can reduce camera shake in travel vlogs or make it easier to shoot at slower shutter speeds in trickier lighting. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the longest battery life, so you might have to buy a spare battery for long days on the go, but if you're looking for something small and mighty, this is an excellent travel camera for the price. At number 2, Sony Alpha 7C Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera. If image quality is your top priority, the Sony Alpha 7C is hard to beat. It's one of the most compact full-frame bodies on the market, proving that you don't need to sacrifice image quality for portability. While it's the largest option on this list, and full-frame lenses will inevitably take up more space, it's impressive how compact Sony made this camera while including features like in-body image stabilization, IBIS, and a fully articulated screen. Of course, that relatively compact size means fewer control dials, fewer custom buttons, and a disappointingly small viewfinder. But the Alpha 7C's high-resolution full-frame sensor handles noise incredibly well in low-light environments, with plenty of dynamic range to capture a wider array of detail. The camera also has a fantastic battery life and sturdy, weather-sealed construction, giving you more peace of mind when shooting outdoors. It's the best camera for travel photography if you care about image quality. Now number 3, Sony RX107 Premium Compact Camera. If portability is your top priority, and you want something more capable than your smartphone camera, a premium point-and-shoot is the way to go. The Sony RX107 has been going strong for several iterations, for good reason. This latest model uses a stacked 1-inch sensor, so image quality is very solid for the camera's size. It's a highly portable camera, so you can bring it with you wherever your travels take you, and its built-in lens has a fairly long zoom range that's great for travel snapshots of everything from landscapes to faraway subjects. Be aware that compact cameras like this have limited battery life, though you can always bring a spare battery or a portable battery pack to charge it. The Ricoh GR3 is a great alternative if you want something more minimalist. It doesn't have a viewfinder, and its fixed focal length lens is less versatile than the zoom lens on the Sony. However, it has a larger APS-C sensor that delivers excellent image quality and is better suited to low-light situations. On the other hand, if you're looking for something cheaper, you can still find older generations of the RX100 on eBay and other used camera retailers. Now our next choice is Fujifilm X100V Digital Camera. Fujifilm X100V is an artistic travel camera crafted to inspire adventure enthusiasts. It's a compact model with a single fixed 23mm f/2 lens and has a design of analog cameras. The Fujifilm X100V sparks elegance but, at the same time, is very compact and great for traveling. A compact silhouette measuring 128 by 75 by 53mm and a featherlight 478 grams frame ensure the camera is a joy to carry, promising breathtaking images. This camera renders 26.1MP stills with exquisite detail. 26.1MP sensor and X processor 4 help to improve autofocus and image quality. It also has a hybrid viewfinder, optical and electronic, and a dust and splash-proof body, which increases its durability. A downside is that there's no zoom. With this Fujifilm model, you can transmit your images through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, inviting others into your visual journey. The USB-C port streamlines charging and data transfer, too. And our last product is GoPro Hero 11 Black. If you're into vlogging, sports, and action traveling, then GoPro Hero 11 Black is the best compact travel camera for you. It's durable and waterproof, as well as has capabilities for different shooting conditions. Overall, it's an adventurer's essential for on-the-go storytelling. The GoPro Hero 11 Black boasts a super compact size, measuring 62.3 by 44.9 by 28.6 millimeters, and weighs a mere 153 grams, fitting effortlessly into your pocket for spontaneous shots. It's the most compact choice of travel cameras on our list. This camera packs a punch with 5.3K video and 20MP photos. It thrives in various environments, from underwater depths to mountain summits, ensuring vivid documentation of your explorations. However, it might not be as versatile as a mirrorless or a DSLR camera, as it's not as customizable, and battery life is less durable than other mirrorless cameras. You can share your vlogs or travel shots to other devices via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities. The GoPro Hero 11 Black's connectivity enables quick content transfer, allowing your travel stories to unfold with ease. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.